it really a secret life? It's kind of boring.
Secret life of the cat.
Run! I will kick your butt. Go run.
Dale, that's not the secret life of the cat. You're sleeping with.
I don't care. The cat needs to run away. She's right there.
She ain't moving. She's being lazy. Lazy kitty.
Don't let it know you're there. Scam next time. You gotta hide so it's gonna see it. Hey, hide again so it's see it.
Where can I hide? In the bathroom?
Yes. Just look through the hole.
Secret life of Sass. Oh, no, she's going to the bed.
I stuck the camera on the floor. She came over.
Of course. She's going to go over and look at it. Boogers.
Don't look at the stupid camera, you stupid cat. She's not doing much.
Hey, kids. What's new?
Nothing, Mom. Absolutely nothing is new.
Well, your hair sure looks new. I like it.
Thanks. It took a lot to get it this way. Oh, there you are, Perry.
There's more to the mission. Phineas and Ferb will be right back.
This is kind of sad.
Has the chance to go from zero to hero. Plus, the world's first time traveler.
Where did you guys